Hello and welcome to Cricket Today TV. I am your host Garima Kotru. So guys, Royal Challengers Bangalore will face Delhi Capitals in the match number 19 of the Indian Premier League 2020 edition. Well, Delhi Capitals occupies top place with 3 wins from 4 games. Meanwhile, Royal Challengers Bangalore are second at the moment with 6 points under their belt. It will be very interesting to see which team comes on the top in this high voltage encounter. So without wasting any time, let's start with the Royal Challengers Bangalore. Well, RCB will be wanting to go with the same starting 11. Devdutt Padikkal has already impressed everyone with some of his spectacular knocks on offer. And if we talk about the skipper Virat Kohli and consistent AB de Villiers, they hold the fort for RCB. Wrist spinner Yuzvendra Chahal's impact with the ball has been telling, while Isuru Udana has shown the world that he is capable of adding more firepower to his side. Moving on now, let's talk about the Delhi Capitals. Delhi Capitals won comfortably against Kolkata Knight Riders. They showed the authority with the bat before the bowlers chipped in. Well, Delhi Capitals are surely the team to beat this season and they look compact. And without any doubt, they have a very strong bowling and batting unit to back their cause. Kagiso Rabada and Anish Nortje have been excellent with the ball both upfront and at the death overs. All in all, Delhi Capitals batting too has been very consistent so far. Now let's talk about the ground report. The upcoming match between Delhi Capitals and Royal Challengers Bangalore will be played at the Dubai International Stadium. Well, the batting hasn't been that easy at the Dubai International Stadium as compared to the other venues of UAE. This wicket is a paradise for spin bowlers and both Delhi Capitals and RCB will expect their spin stars to make the most of the conditions. Well, the highest score on this ground is 579 runs. On the other hand, the lowest defending score is 134 runs. Now let's discuss the chasing team records at the Dubai International Stadium. According to the T20 records, interestingly, the teams that have batted first in Dubai won more matches than the teams that have chased here. Now let's talk about the weather report. The hot and humid weather conditions in Dubai can trouble the players in the upcoming match as the temperature is expected to be 40 degrees Celsius during the game time. Now let's talk about the players to watch out for. Well, RCB's star batsman AB de Villiers has played 9 matches against Delhi Capitals and scored 281 runs at an unbelievable average of 46.83 and a strike rate of 165.29. And Delhi Capitals young gun Rishabh Pant has played 10 matches against Royal Challengers Bangalore and scored 364 runs at an average of 52 and a strike rate of 159.64. Talking about the star bowler of RCB, Yuzvendra Chahal has played 10 matches against Delhi Capitals and picked up 13 wickets at an economy rate of 8.28. On the other side, Amit Mishra has played 9 matches against RCB and picked up 10 wickets at an economy rate of 6.21. Moving on swiftly, let's talk about the head-to-head record. Out of 23 meetings, RCB have an advantage of 14 wins to Delhi Capitals' 8 victories with 1 match having no result. Now let's take a look at the probable 11 of Royal Challengers Bangalore. In order to strengthen their batting unit, RCB have the likes of Devdutt Padikkal, Aaron Finch, Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Gurkeerat Singh and the 2 superstar all-rounders Shivam Dube and Washington Sundar. On the other side, in the bowling department, they have the likes of Yuzvendra Chahal, Navdeep Saini, Isuru Udana and Adam Zampa. Now let's take a look at the probable 11 of Delhi Capitals. Well, Delhi Capitals too have a pretty good batting lineup with the likes of Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer, Shimron Hetmeyer, Rishabh Pant and how can we forget to mention the names of 2 superstar all-rounders Akshar Patel and Marcus Stoinis. In the bowling unit, DC have Ravichandran Ashwin, Kagiso Rabada, Anish Nortje and Harshal Patel. Guys, in order to help you with Dream 11, we have come up with the best possible combined 11. So we have opted young batsman Shreyas Iyer to lead this side. Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers and Rishabh Pant are the batsmen in the side, while Marcus Stoinis and Washington Sundar are the two all-rounders. In the bowling unit, we have opted for Kagiso Rabada, Enrich Nortje, Isuru Udana and Yuzvendra Chahal. Now let's discuss the reasons behind the Dream 11 team. The batting looks very heavy and filled with the players who can deliver and set up on the field. Devdutt Padikkal and Shreyas Iyer are the players to watch out for considering their consistency so far. And talking about the young batsman Rishabh Pant, he adds more firepower in the ranks. Marcus Stoinis has been productive as an all-rounder and is supported by Washington Sundar, who has bowled very well. Kagiso Rabada leads the bowling unit and is supported by the strike partner Enrich Nortje. In Udana and Chahal, you get the genuine wicket takers in the ranks. Now finally, it's time for the match prediction. We predict Delhi Capitals to get the job done against Royal Challengers Bangalore. Well guys, the live telecast and streaming details of this match are as follows. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon in the next video. In the meantime, what you can do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and you can also like our FB page. Goodbye.